This video will introduce you to free tilt mode on Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Free tilt mode allows you to break the tilt axis limitation and enable creative movements like crane shots, orbit shots, dolly shots, and low-angle transitions. With the gimbal powered on, extend the built-in selfie stick slightly. Rotate the gimbal arm counterclockwise 45 degrees. Ensure the hinge on the selfie stick is facing you. Then bend the gimbal arm toward you until it stops. Hold the gimbal arm with your left hand and use your right hand to twist the grip counterclockwise 45 degrees so that the triangle mark points to on. Double tap the trigger button to activate free tilt mode. By default, the gimbal is in PF mode. Press the M button to switch to auto mode. Double tap the trigger to recenter the gimbal. Hold the gimbal arm with your left hand and use your right hand to twist the grip clockwise 45 degrees so that the triangle mark points to off. Bend the gimbal arm away from you. Retract the built-in selfie stick. If there is a gap between the grip and the built-in selfie stick after retracting it, or if the gimbal doesn't recenter properly after exiting free tilt mode, it is likely because the triangle mark is still pointing to on. If that happens, extend the built-in selfie stick and twist the grip clockwise 45 degrees so that the triangle mark points to off. Feel free to watch more videos to learn more about Flow 2 Pro.